How do you feel? Just talk to Dad. Hey, Dad.
Hey, Dad.
I've been drugged. Are you tired?
Are you in a good place, honey? Yeah.
He said,
as long as you're laughing,
he said, I thought that was just water. I said, I think they snuck in and gave you something. Told ya.
You know what? I'm going to give you your party hat, my dear.
Party hat?
I knew it. You knew that. You knew that.
Oh, I've got it on film.
No.
You look hot. Talk to Dad. Say hi, Dad.
No, Dad. I hope you're not liking this.
You can't tell so you can see. Come on. You want to see your baby's face? I'm going to be showing you. Zoom in. How are those drugs treating you?
Oh, what was that? You really like that.
Yes, I do.
So.
Dad's out in the lobby. He doesn't get to see the fun stuff.
Well, go get one and take it home with you.
What?
Go take one of those hats and take it home.
You want to? We should all wear them. Disneyland for Halloween.
Come back here.
Say, I love you, Dad.
I love you, Dad. If you laugh at this, you're going to pay.